Welcome to today's beauty transformation. First, we start with Lisa. Her look is shining with elegance and confidence. Next comes a sweet Korean girl with a style that is playful, soft, and absolutely adorable. And then, beauty blossoms into a dream. Another Korean girl appears with a bouquet of flowers in her hand. Stay tuned till the end, because this transformation journey is just getting started. Then I used Alicia's Satinwear Green Cushion, shade #21A. It's really good, and gives a very natural look. After that, I used Cover All Concealer. First, apply Focal Blush Contour. Then add a little concealer, and blend it with a brush. And apply Sephora powder all over the face. Contoured with Butterfly Cloud Color Contour Palette, #2. And applied concealer under the eyes from the same palette. Milky first shade on eyelids. ColourPop second shade on eyeball. First shade on eye corners. Milky brown for smoky effect. Alicia first shade for soft smoky touch. LN Pro Liner for shade. Nose contoured with Butterfly Palette first shade. Same brand eyeliner under eyes and corners. Used light pink, shade from Butterfly Cloud Color Eyeshadow Palette as blush. Applied ColourPop Heart Blush #Baby Cake on cheeks. Added a small beauty mark under the eyes with eyeliner. Used the eyeliner as lip contour. Lightly applied ColourPop blush on lips. From Flirt Lip Gloss Palette, used shade 1, then layered shade 2 on lip. Look is complete, giving Lalisa vibes. Today I'm going for that soft princess vibe. But honestly, I don't know what's happening with my right cheek lately. By the way, tomorrow is October 1st. Where are you guys planning to go? I don't think I'll be going anywhere. But after the holiday, I'm planning a trip to Shenzhen. The only thing is, this year winter came really early, so we probably won't get to see the beautiful autumn leaves. Now back to the makeup. After adjusting the tones, my face looks much more even and smooth. The base feels pretty light overall. But I squeezed out too much foundation again. Let's fix that, and add a little more brightness. And that's it for today's look. Simple, fresh, and glowing. First, she shakes her eyebrow for lunch later. I'm having spicy and sour noodles. Can't wait. Then, she applies peach eyeshadow on the upper and lower lids. Then, she applies peach eyeshadow on the upper and lower lids. After that, she sets the eyelashes beautifully. Then she cleans the eyes, and carefully applies each eyelash one by one. Finally, she places a strip on the eyelid to make the eyes look bigger and more stunning. I picked up the brown eyeliner with a brush and created the eyeliner shape and wing on both the upper and lower parts of the eyes. Apply the eyeliner very neatly and perfectly so it looks beautiful. Then pick up the fake eyelashes from the fourth line and carefully place them under the eyes so they don't get ruined. Then the nose was contoured. First, contour the nose easily. Then apply a soft pink blush wherever needed. After that, put on a cute peach lipstick. Along with it, add highlighter on the nose and cheeks. Apply foundation evenly all over the face. Set it smoothly for a flawless base. Contour the nose with a dark brown pencil. Brush through the brows for a neat shape. Define brows using a light brown pencil. Finish by setting brows with dark brown mascara. Apply peach eyeshadow palette note, 1 on eyelids. Add pink shade on the sides and lower lash line. Apply peach glitter on eyelids for a pretty shine. Lightly brush glitter under the eyes for a sparkling look. Curl eyelashes with curl. Give eyes a soft smoky touch. Apply mascara on lashes. One eye has lashes applied. Now place them on the other eye too. Start applying eyelashes from the end. Start applying eyelashes from the end. Add a thin eyeliner on top. Draw a light line under the eyes for a defined look. Apply light pink blush on cheeks and nose with a brush. Lightly contour the nose. Use the same eyeshadow palette for a soft highlight. Add highlighter on nose and lips for a glowing finish. Apply red pink lipstick on lower lips with intensity. Thanks for watching my videos, and subscribe the channel and click the bell icon.